Hey everyone, welcome back to Motion Blend Graphics. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a stunning color blend inside letter shapes using Adobe Illustrator. We'll use the blend tool, explore some layering tricks, and add a creative twist with stroke lines and spacing. Let's get started. First, grab the Type tool and type your letter, and then right-click and choose Create Outlines. Shift the outline or press Shift+X to swap, fill, and stroke. Now with the Direct Selection tool, select both the edge lines. It might look like nothing's selected, but the lines are selected. Now copy these lines, paste them in front, create a new layer and move them to a new layer by dragging them, and turn this new layer off. Back in the first layer, select and delete those same lines. Go to Object and do Ungroup, then release the compound path. Go to Object again, Compound Path, and release, so you can work with each piece individually. Select both paths, go to Object, Blend, make Blend now. Click on the Blend tool, and from Spacing Options, set the spacing to 1 step, and after that, expand them. Now ungroup everything again, select the middle path, and shift it to the second layer. Turn off layer 1 and turn on layer 2. Select the edge lines, increase their stroke to 4 pixels, and then add some colors. I used orange and blue. Now go to Object, Blend, Make, and this time set spacing to 1000 for a smooth gradient. Now select everything, go to Object, Blend, select Replace Spine. To make it more interesting, select one line, go to Object, Path, reverse the path direction, and there you go. Feel free to play with the colors and lines to make it your own. If you found this helpful, give it a like, save it for later, and don't forget to follow Motion Blend Graphics for more design tips and tutorials. See you next time.